Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV, and today we're gonna do a 1-year review of this beautiful Reissue mini that I got a year ago, and it's the 19A Reissue in calfskin leather with shiny gold hardware. And let's talk about the aesthetic of the purse, the wear and tear, and let's kind of review also what fits inside and share with you the organizer that I got for this purse. I'm also gonna share my thoughts on this purse after owning it for 1 year. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like up close, guys. This is in beautiful calfskin leather, which is durable. It looks like this on the side, and at the back it has a slip pocket here, and at the bottom it looks like this. And this Reissue mini usually has a fold here in between that sag, but for some reason I got the one that's flat, which I am happy, as I don't want it to sag here at the bottom. And then here it has a shiny gold hardware, and it has etched Chanel here. So this is the turn lock closure, and inside has this leather lining as well. And this Reissue mini doesn't have another flap, which is nice as it doesn't add weight to the purse. And the serial number is here at the bottom. Also has a zipper pull with Chanel logo here under. Here it also has a leather lining here inside. So this is a durable purse. I did not see anywhere on the purse. I haven't really used this much, but I displayed this here in my display cabinet without a dust bag, as I wanted to see the purses without a dust bag, and I don't want the moisture to collect on the bags as well. So this is displayed openly every single day, and this is still in amazing new condition. And I've worn this during my travels as well, and also on a short trip, and sometimes on a night out, and I haven't really seen anywhere on this purse. This gold chain is beautiful and shiny, and I did see any tarnishing as well. So what's nice about the Reissue is the chain of the bag, and this is one of the first design of Chanel, which is the original flap bag than the usual CC logo that we see here in front. This is actually was designed first than that one. So inside it can really fit a lot, and I'm gonna share with you the organizer that I got, and this is from Zumini. So it came from this plastic, and this is from South Korea, and this one has a slip pocket here, an open space here in the middle, and also one slip pocket here. So this is nice that it can organize the things inside, and it also came with this card holder that we can put our cards in here, and this is the logo. The thing about this organizer, it will organize our items well, and it will also protect the interior of the bag from dirt. It will keep the shape of our bag, especially when you store this bag. An organizer will really keep the shape, and it will also allow us to easily switch from one bag to another. So if you have two Reissue mini, you can also switch from one bag to another easily. This organizer is handmade with the finest 2mm premium felt from South Korea that is durable, ultra lightweight, and environmental friendly. So Zumini is gracious enough to share this organizer with me, guys. This is not sponsored, but they just shared this organizer with me to share with you, and I am a true believer of organizers. In fact, I have bought this organizer before, and this is an organizer for this bum bag. You see, without an organizer, if you store it, it loses the shape of the bag. But with the organizer, it's just keep the shape of the purse. And this is what I love about the organizer for our bags, and especially in this one. So I did a collab with Zumuni the last time with my YSL custom organizer, and I got a 20% off. Zumuni is gracious enough to share with us guys another 20% discount code by using StardustLV until June 30. And here is the organizer that I use for this PD. This organizer I bought using my discount code the last time, and I got 20% off from this one. And I really love this, guys, as I was able to maximize the space inside my Speedy Nano, and also I was able to keep the shape of the purse, especially when storing it as well. Let's try to put stuff inside, guys. So you're gonna see the capacity of this purse, and we're gonna put this mini O case in here, and also this card holder here in front, and another card holder here at the back, and there's still some space here inside. So we'll try to put the cell phone. This is an iPhone 10 case, and this is what it looks like, and let's put it inside. So here it really fits well, and let's close the bag. So here, guys, with the organizer inside, I was able to fit my Chanel SLGs and also my cell phone, and it is nice that it's organized inside like so. And let's try to put other stuff in. So it is nice that this Reissue Mini fits our essentials. It may look small, but it fits a lot actually. So let's try to put this lotion, which is very thick, additional compact, and let's try to put Chanel card holders here in front and at the back. So as you can see, guys, there's still some space in here for the lipstick. Chanel lip gloss. So here, guys, let's try to close it. Again, we're able to close the purse, and let's review what did we put in here. So it's nice that it's very organized inside. So we have 2 card holders, 1 Chanel lip gloss, a compact, and this lotion. So here are all the things that was able to fit inside. So what I love about this, if I'm gonna store this bag on the shelf, I will be able to maintain the shape of the bag, which is really a must for me. Maintaining the shape of the bag maintains it from sagging, and will also extend the longevity of the purse. And this Reissue Mini has really hold up from the wear and tear. As you can see, I didn't see any scratches here, and it basically looks still new, guys. So I love that this Reissue Mini is very useful. It looks elegant, it looks classy. It's the original design of Chanel. It looks very subtle, and it's not really in your face Chanel. Only those who really knows the brand will be able to recognize this. So if you want to go to public places, it looks discreet if you're gonna carry this. And I love that it has an option to double the strap and put this at the side of the arm like so. The size is just right to be comfortable on your shoulder, and also if you're gonna wear this crossbody, it will look like this. And I usually put this in front so that this at the back will be able to be close to my body, just like so. And it looks like this if you're gonna wear it crossbody, and it's just hit me right here on my hip. And let's measure the length, guys, so you'll be able to know the length of this purse. I'm gonna link in the description down below my 2 videos on this Reissue Mini where I have some mud shots, so you'll be able to see how it looks on me. And this one has the length of 21 inches. And if you're gonna wear it double, the length is 12 inches if you're gonna wear it double. This is such a useful, functional purse, and it looks really pretty on. It is a classic Chanel design, and the calfskin leather is durable. I like also the distressed look on this and the contrast of the shiny gold hardware, as it really balanced the look of the purse. So overall, guys, I love this purse, and I'm happy that I was able to add this in my collection. Again, this is the 19A Reissue Mini. This is when the Reissue Mini was first launched without the additional flap here. So it is lighter than the one those with the flap. So what do you think of this, guys? And again, don't forget to use the coupon code from Zoomony for the 20% off if you are planning to add an organizer in your purses. It's StardustLV, and it will be valid until June 30th. I am so grateful for Zoomony for sharing this discount code with all of us, so that we'll be able to use this to get the organizer, so that we'll be able to maintain the shape of our purse for longevity. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!